Alright, good morning, y'all. So today's content day with my YP team. I have as much content as I can think of that needs to be printed out. Alright. I need to put this somewhere. So but I have them. I have everybody's names who asked for names. Some people have names and some people's don't. I was trying to find mine to show y'all mine. Something that I kind of didn't account for. I should have asked my dad. He's professional, but this is the name. Gotta go on the back. Now, what I didn't account for is my chair people. All of their names are dramatically smaller, which was not per se my intention. Now they're the same, like in width, width. Which that was the quickest way I could think to do it. Now, where I dropped the ball was, y'all just see how much smaller they look. Like, I don't know. I just wish they were a little thicker too. I don't want nothing to look no different than nobody's, because we're a team and I want all my stuff to look uniform, but it's okay. Okay, I'm pressing my first shirt, y'all. I think these are probably cold pills, so I'm gonna let this sit. I gotta test it. I don't know how to turn my heat up. Let it sit for longer, the full 45, because I only did 30, and I need a stool, so I'll be back. Yeah. Okay, so cold pill it is. I need to just double check and make sure I got all the right sizes. I should have got myself a damn extra small.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As they said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Thanks to take my spine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. But you did, but you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I never did. You lied.
Alright guys, it's t-shirt time. Y'all ready to see what we got?
Thank you again for making those.
Of course. Yes, because Terry was on me saying don't get y'all baby shower shirts. I ain't get y'all no baby shower shirts. Y'all cheating, y'all looking. Turn y'all head. Let me show y'all. Y'all ready? Bam!
Aww, those are cute.
And then y'all got some names in the back on there.
I like them.
Yes, love. She's like, give me. Yes. Okay, so let me get y'all shirt. Okay, let's see. All right, youth development. Here we are, darling. You're welcome. BP, are you with me? Here y'all. For you. Oh, for moi. For our treasurer. Securing the bag. Okay, yes. Civic and advocacy. Yes, ma'am. Voice, power, action. Clock that. Then we got financial lit, money moves only. Yes, sir. And of course, social and cultural chair. Curating the experience, girl.
Queen.
Yes. Get into it. And last but certainly not least, PPD. Let's get into it. Growing the goal.
Take that down.
Not take that out. Okay, boom. And then we're gonna borrow a shirt. Let's see. Okay, so you guys can, once you're ready, change into your tees, and we're gonna start with your casual headshots. Okay. Yeah. Whatever works for you guys. Whatever works for you guys. Okay. And then Nidra, if you can start your setup over there, find your frame.
You press. Sugar don't go in grits.
Pineapple.
Okay.
Can you kill it?
Fries better than apple music.
Oh.
Fried fish, spaghetti, and coleslaw all go together on the same plate. Thank you.
I got a better one. Hold on. Cheers.
Fun fact, most people ain't got matching socks.
We ain't gonna even talk about
So that means 50% of the people here ain't got on matching socks right now if we really want to check.
If we really want to talk about it, I ain't got on no socks.
Oh, Lord, there we go.
I was wearing heels and Timbers.
I'm tripping.